Hi, I'm Edushingara Chilage Danushishanali Hope, a proud student from the School of Computing. I'm immensely proud to stand here today, and I would like to thank APIIT for their support that they give for their students. As a student of School of Computing, I've got the opportunity to stay at the industry and to learn what they give us. Especially as a student from RMIT right now in Australia, APIIT has given me a great opportunity to study there with a great scholarship. The lecturers at APIIT are really helpful. They give us a lot of help, a lot of effort in putting up our assignments together, and they have been always guiding us towards assignments, projects, and all these things have been resulting us in giving a very good stand at the industry. So I would like to thank APIIT for helping us all this while, and also I would like to tell the future students from APIIT who are planning to join APIIT, please join. You'll get an immense support, and they'll be supporting you for so long, and that's a really great opportunity for every one of you to stand up by the industry. And most importantly, the lecturers are helping us a lot. They've been guiding us towards assignments and getting us into random feedbacks and giving us deadlines, and that has been an immense support for me to stand over here. And I'm really proud to say that I'm a student from APIIT, and this has given me an opportunity to rise globally and to say that I'm a proud student from APIIT. Thank you.